Welcome to our channel IAM Technocrats. Hey, this is Priya. Our first section in the course roadmap was, what is Identity and Access Management or IAM? Now, the next section contains the why, how, who and what of IAM. Just to elaborate on what Manish mentioned in the previous video. The why will help us identify the purposes and motivations of IAM. The how will identify the strategies and models applicable. The who part will help us recognize the organizational and functional aspects of IAM, and finally, the what part will distinguish the technologies and systems used for IAM. If you think about the big questions of why, how, who and what, we can see the importance of IAM.
In this section, we will start with why. Why is a compliance question. Often organizations respond with, we control identities and access because we don't want red flag in our audit. But organizations should know why IAM is important to them beyond to compliance. Once the organization fully understand why IAM is important, then they can figure out how to address it, who will own the process, be involved, and what technologies and processes are needed to reduce risk.
Why is the pragmatic content of security by dealing with risk, trust monitoring, reporting and auditing requirements. Without this solid foundation, IAM projects cannot succeed. For example, 75% of IAM projects fail because organizations only focus on the technology, which is only about 5% of the entire picture, without fully considering the business drivers and context. Let's continue to talk about why here. We often think about an identity as person who access the various systems and application, but today's environment is a lot more complicated than that. Instead of thinking a single person's digital account, we need to consider that a person has several accounts to spread across all the tools he or she is using and accessing. Network of networks, which is the prolonged network of people and things where every machine-to-machine connection is actually mediating human connection. Networks are simultaneously network of collaboration, and we need to remember they are also open to threat if not managed properly. Top 5 business drivers of IAM. Risk reduction and IT security. Regulatory compliance. Business facilitation and end-user experience. Operational effectiveness and efficiency. Cost containment.